Hi, welcome back sa ating channel. It's me, Alfredo, sa ating channel na Money Making Online. So kung ikaw ay baguhan sa aming channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-on ang notification bell button para updated ka sa aming mga bagong videos na ina-upload. So click nyo lang itong mga videos na ito at panoorin ang ekstrang perang mapagkakitaan. So simulan na natin. So ang site na ito ay Slushpoolmining. So una, mag-register lang kayo with your email address and unique password sa inyong account. So ito yung Slushpoolmining. Brief description sa kanilang company, Slushpoolmining, a broker that provides investment solution sophisticated enough for veteran investors yet simple enough for the novice. So hindi na kayo mangailangan ng hardware, as you can see sa kanilang picture. So grabe to guys, need ng maintenance lalo na sa power consumption, air conditioning, sa mga wirings, especially masisira. So ang ginagawa ng company nito is naghahanap sila ng investors to make you invest with ease. So hindi na kayo pahirapan pa Then, ang gagawin nyo lang is to choose a plan from their investment guide. At saka ang kagandahan nito is after maturity, you can request for payout instantly or withdrawal method like bitcoins. So umpisa na natin. So first, click register or create an account, or simply guys, pwede kayong you just click the link under the description section for my channel. There is the link for the referral. As you like, it's not yet registered, so just click sign up. For me, I will click login. So once na you have been logged in from this site, so explore natin guys. So yan po, naka-navigate na tayo sa kanilang browser or website. So this website composes of dashboard, account, withdrawals, deposit, payouts, internal transfer, referral, so account settings and testimonies. So first, discuss natin yung dashboard. So makikita dito yung account balance, yung bonus. So after makuha mo itong $500 after you can invest 2,000. So sa akin, if I accumulated $50 from this site, so earnings, referral earnings, you can earn 10% referral earnings. So ito yung kanilang plan. Plan A, plan 1, plan 2, plan 3, and plan 4. So corresponding plan may different package sila. So 15% kung mag-deposit ka ng $10 up to $500. Then ang kagandahan nito ay automatic withdrawal and 24/7 support. So there sa kanilang dito sa kanan, mag-chat lang kayo if may problema or may kailangan kayo or concern or mga tanong. So pwede nyo silang chatan or send message. So ang aking pinili guys is kasi ako yung risk taker ako for this amount, like $10 or $20. So I invest it. So punta tayo sa deposit history. So ito yung na-deposit ko, like $10, $20. So dalawang $20. May withdrawal history na ako. So legit talaga, nabayaran ako ng 3 times after na mature ang aking plan. So ito yung maturity date time. So depende kung plan 1, ang plan 1 nila is 20 hours. So plan 2 is 24 hours. So plan 3 maganda is 12 hours, then 65%. So guys, subukan nating mag-invest or i-demonstrate ko sa inyo paano ito gagawin. So click invest now. Yan po. So ang pinili ko kasi plan 1. So ang minimum deposit is $10, maximum is $500. So ang profit niya is 15% in 20 hours. So duration niya is 20 hours. So payment method nila is pipili ka lang kung saan ka available or anong method. Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. So ang pipiliin ko is Bitcoin. So I will click the amount. Minimum nila amount is $10. So pili lang kayo dito kung risk taker kayo sa ganitong amount. So $10. So yan ang pipiliin ko. And I will click invest now. Ayan. First, ang ginamit ko is coins.ph. So puntahan lang ko. So click BTC. And then you will click send. Then scan BTC QR code or enter BTC wallet address. So sa akin, I will scan it. Yan po. After that, yung choose blockchain fee amount. So pwede itong low, depende sa inyo, low, medium or high. So sa akin low, okay na lang yung low. Then slide, then click continue. Then after that, ang Google Authenticator, so enter lang. Then submit. Yan. So success, you sent 0.0010178 BTC. So back to wallet. Then click natin ang dashboard. So hintayin lang natin itong matapos or ma-receive nila. So makikita naman dito sa inyong deposit status if matanggap na nila. Yan, as you can see guys, so na-receive na natin or naka-deposit na tayo dito. So hintay lang natin 19 hours from now ma-mature itong ating ininvest na $10. So matanggap natin is $11.50. So maraming salamat sa pagsusubaybay ng aming channel. Hanggang sa muli, this is Alfredo. See you for the next video.